Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your Fur Libra Tool Bear, back again here in the old den of tools. And yep, spring has sprung, which means thoughts of, fixing up the house, working on the yard, cleaning out the garage, all that good stuff are coming to mind. But before you spend that money, I want to talk about Spring Black Friday. This has become a huge event over the past handful of years where you can get some real savings, and it's just around the corner. So we're trying to pin down the date exactly when it's going to be. We've got some predictions. I've had some people talk to me about it. So let's jump into some of the data, if we will. So Home Depot, of course, they're kind of the leader in this. In 2018, it was on the 4th. In 2019, it was on the 2nd. And in 2021, there was kind of a skip there for you know what. In 2021, it was on the 8th. If you look, in 2018, it was a one-day sale. Just a one-day sale. By 2019, this was a 2-week sale. And now it's pretty much calming down to a 10-day sale. If we jump over to Lowe's, we're looking at a 14-day sale, a 14-day sale, and a 14-day sale. They're really, Lowe's going whole hog when it comes to it. Now, if we look at the Home Depot, if we look at was it the 19th, it was on the 2nd, and for Lowe's, it was on the 4th. Now, if we look at 2019, we're looking at Tuesday and Thursday. Now, if we go back and we're looking at the 21st or 2021, we're looking at the 8th, and 2020, we're looking at the 8th. They've kind of coincided here because they know that doing this stuff together at the same time really honestly generates more sales for them because everyone gets super excited. It's a big event. So if we look at the 8th, 8th is on a Thursday, and that kind of goes in line with a lot of the other sales that they like to do. So we're looking at this coming in on the first or second Thursday, I should say, first Thursday of the month, because they're not going to push, because they're going to do this in April. They're not going to do this on a Friday. And they're not going to push it back till the 14th. That's too late in the month. So we're looking at April 7th is going to be the date on this. Now, I've heard some people talking who are in the industry, who are in the stores, who are seeing some of this stuff, and they're saying some of the ads are going to leak a little bit sooner. But I've heard people confirm that, yes, the 7th is going to be the date. We'll have to cross our claws there and see if that's where it lands. Now, as to what's going to be on sale, well, Home Depot, of course, is going to be the standard stuff. You're going to see right on the front of the flyer. This is last year's flyer. You're going to see outdoor furnishings. You're going to see a lot of grills. There's going to be a lot of grills, guys and gals. There's going to be all sorts of like mulch and garden stuff and all sorts of that. But don't worry, there'll be outdoor power equipment front and center. And yes, we will see some solid deals on power tools as well. I think we're going to see some great deals on Milwaukee and over there, and probably some good Ryobi deals. As far as rigid, if you're looking for rigid deals from Home Depot, I would not expect much. It seems on the bigger sales, they like to hold off the rigid sales to their own little thing. Rigid's just not hitting as strong over there. We might see some Makita stuff, of course, but Makita again, also they kind of do their own thing. Now over at Lowe's, what are we going to see there? Let's see. Well, the sale there, of course, that one was from 2020 there. The 2021 sale, I couldn't find the flyer on that, but that one, I think we're going to see a lot of the same thing. We're going to see more appliances. Of course, Lowe's is more for the homeowner, whereas Home Depot focuses more on the contractor kind of stuff. But we're definitely going to see a lot of garden stuff. We're going to see a lot of outdoor furnishings and stuff, but also strong in the outdoor power equipment. We're going to see Craftsman front and center. That's going to be a big push on Craftsman. We're going to see some DeWalt there, and hopefully some skill. I think we'll see some skill, maybe some skill 12-volt in there as well. And we're going to jump over to Harbor Freight because they do something interesting. They do that whole 3 days ahead if you got early access, if you're inside track. And of course, I always kind of laughed that one off, and but these days with limited stock, that could really be an issue if you got your heart set on like one of these double bank cabinets or something like that. So we're looking at a date here. We're looking at their sale is going to start on the Friday. It's the 8th, so it's the 5th, 6th, and 7th is going to be your early access on that. Of course, they're going to have tons of outdoor power equipment. They've been ramping all that up. There's a lot more Bauer kind of stuff, and we're going to see the usual stuff from them. Also see pressure washers, air compressors, and stuff like that. Hopefully, some of the new Predator stuff, the new high torque engines and motors that they got coming out. Now, over at Ace, of course, is going to be pushing Ego big time, which is fantastic. If you want the top line, the Cadillac of outdoor power equipment for the homeowner, it's got to be Ego in that 56 volt. They make a fantastic line of tools. Now, also make sure you're signed up for the Ace Rewards program. That's a huge deal over there, and a lot of people don't pay attention to it, and I don't know why. It's free. If you don't like giving your information, set up a fake email account. Nobody's going to, question you about it, but make sure you're getting those savings on that. Also, there'll probably be a few other hidden deals in there. We'll see some Craftsman deals. We'll see some DeWalt deals. We'll also probably see some Traeger deals over there if you're looking for those pellet grills. Now, over at Tractor Supply, of course, they're going to have the outdoor power equipment. They're going to have the lawnmowers, riding lawnmowers, all that kind of stuff. What I'm excited to see, where I want to see them really hit it, is in the trailers, because trailers have really just gone through the roof in price. If we can see them back around this $600 to $700 or $800 range, that would be a big win. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that. Remember, always the big win at Tractor Supply is in their clearance department, so you never really know what's going to show up there. Another one who's going to be coming hard, I think, is going to be Walmart. Now, Walmart's been really pushing the Hart brand, and they've been really winning with this. A lot of great tools. They got the new brush, a ton of the brushless stuff out now, plus all the accessories. You've seen in my videos the Hart tables and stuff like that. I really love those things. Of course, they've changed the version. They don't have the clamp style on it anymore. Somebody asked the other day, that is actually made by Keter, however they pronounce it. There's other people selling that if you're looking for it. You can find it online and other people as well. But I think we'll not only see some great electronic sales. I'm actually holding off. We need to buy a TV for our bedroom here, and I'm holding off till the spring Black Friday because I think we'll see some deals on that as well, but also some great deals on Hart. Anyway, there you go. That's your predictions there for spring Black Friday. What are you looking for? The Bear, put it down in the comments, and the Bear will keep an eye out. Of course, we're still going to be doing Monday deals of the week. We'll be focusing on that, and as soon as we have confirmation as to the actual flyers for spring Black Friday, we'll have it here. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you've rung the bell so you don't miss out on any of that. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you this day. You all take care. God bless, and as always, shine on.